Come test drive the 2021 Kona. The Hyundai Kona provides a wide variety of functionality in a small SUV body. The energetic design is perfect for those looking to marry their adventurous side with their urban lifestyle and is priced below $30,000. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, fog lights, four-wheel disc brakes, power moonroof, front-wheel independent suspension, speed control, rear window defroster. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.